Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 1.3, question number 1, part 2. Z plus W equals to 3 iota. 2Z plus 3W equals to 2. These are two simultaneous linear equations. The degree of the variable involved here is 1. So that's why it is linear equation. And simultaneous equation are those equations which are satisfied by the same roots. These two equations will have the same roots. So that's why they are called simultaneous linear equation. In order to solve these equations, first we will give them name equation 1 and 2. Now look, here the coefficient of z is 2 and here 1. So we will multiply equation 1 by 2 and then subtract it from 2. So we will get the value of w. So equation 2 minus 2 times equation 1. Equation 2 is 2z plus 3w equals to 2. Multiply this with 2, we get 2z plus 2w equals to 6 iota. Now subtract it. These two cancel with each other. Here we get w and here 2 minus 6 iota. Now put the w value in equation 1 or 2. Put w equals to 2 minus 6 iota in equation 1. So z plus 2 minus 6 iota equals to 3 iota. Shift this to the right side. Z equals to, the 2 will become minus 2 and the 6 will become plus 6 iota, and write this 3 iota on its place. So Z is equal to minus 2 plus 9 iota is the answer. Similarly, look at part first. Part first, Z minus 4 W equals to 3 iota, and second equation is 2z plus 3w equals to 11 minus 5 iota. First of all, give them name equation 1 and 2. Then look, here the coefficient of z is 2 and here 1. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and subtract it from 2. So here 2z plus 3w equals to 11 minus 5 iota. And when this is multiplied by 2, so it will become 2z minus 8w equals to 6 iota. And subtract it. So we get 11 w equals to 11 minus 5 minus 6, we get minus 11. Now take 11 from the right side, divide both sides by 11. The w value is 1 minus iota. Now put w equals to 1 minus iota in equation 1 here. So z equals to minus 4, w value is 1 minus iota equals to 3 iota. Multiply this 4 with 1 minus iota, we get minus 4 plus 4 iota. Now shift minus 4 plus 4 iota to the right side. So 3 iota minus 4 will become plus 4 and this will become minus 4 iota. Now 4 and minus 4 plus 3, we get minus iota. This is the answer. Now look at part third. 3z plus 2 plus iota times w equals to 11 minus iota, and 2 minus iota times z minus w equals to minus 1 plus iota. So first give them name equation 1 and 2. Now look here, the coefficient of w is 2 plus iota. So we will multiply equation 2 by 2 plus iota and then subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. So we will get the value of z, and then we will substitute it in the 1 or 2 equation. So we will get the value of w. So equation 1 minus 2 plus iota times equation 2. Look, this equation 1, 3z plus 2 plus iota times w equals to 11 minus iota. Now multiply this with 2 plus iota. So 2 plus iota into 2 minus iota times z minus here 2 plus iota w equals to 2 plus iota into minus 1 plus iota. Add these two according to the condition above. So these two cancel with each other. Here remains 3z plus 2 plus iota 2 minus iota times z, and here remains 11 minus iota and plus 2 plus iota minus 1 plus iota. Now we will multiply these two and then we will add it with this. So look here, 3z plus, this is a plus b, a minus b form, so we can write it as 2 square minus iota square z, 11 minus iota, and multiply this 2 with 1, we get minus 2, 2 into iota, 2 iota, iota into minus 1, minus iota, and iota into iota, we get iota square. Here we can write it as 3z plus the 2 square value is 4 and iota square value is minus 1, so minus into minus we get plus 1 z, and here 11 minus iota, minus into plus minus 2, here 2 iota minus iota we get iota, and iota square value is minus 1. Look here, 3z plus 4 plus 1, 5z equals to, now 11 minus 1 we get 10, and 10 minus 2 we get 8, and this iota cancel with this iota. Here we get 8z equals to 8, divide both sides by 8, 8z divided by 8, 8 divided by 8, 8 cancel with 8, here 8 cancel with 8, z equals to 1. Now put the value of z which is 1 in equation 1, this one. So put z equals to 1 in equation 1. So 3 z value is 1 plus 2 plus iota w equals to 11 minus iota. Here we get 3 plus 2 plus iota w equals to 11 minus iota. Shift 3 to the right side, here remains 2 plus iota times w equals to 11 minus 3 minus iota. So here 2 plus iota times w equals to 11 minus 3 we get 8 minus iota. Now divide both sides by 2 plus iota times w, 2 plus iota, 2 plus iota times w divided by 2 plus iota, and here 8 minus iota divided by 2 plus iota. These two cancel with each other. W equals to 8 minus iota divided by 2 plus iota. Now rationalize the denominator here. W equals to 8 minus iota divided by 2 plus iota, multiply and divide by 2 minus iota, 2 minus iota. So here 2 8s are 16 minus 8 iota, and minus 2 iota, and here plus iota square, minus into minus. In the denominator this is a plus b, a minus b form, so 2 square minus iota square. Here we get 16 minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 iota, and iota square value is minus 1, and in the denominator we get 4, iota square value is minus 1, so minus minus 1. Further we can write it as 16 minus 1, 15 minus 10 iota divided by 4 plus 1. 15 minus 10 iota divided by 4 plus 1, we get 5. Now 15 by 5 minus 10 by 5 iota. So here 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. We get what? 3 minus 2 iota is the answer, the value of W. Now come to question number 4. Question 2, 3 we will solve in the next class. Question 4 is determine whether 1 plus 2 iota is the solution of z square minus 2z plus 5. So we will put z equals to 1 plus 2 iota. It is given in the question. Put here in this equation. So we get 1 plus 2 iota whole square minus 2 1 plus 2 iota plus 5 equals to 0. Now look, expand this square. 1 square plus 2 iota square plus 2 times 1 into 2 iota, and minus 2 into 1 we get minus 2, and minus 2 into 4 we get minus 4 iota plus 5 equals to 0. Now 1 square we get 1, and the 2 square value is 4. Here iota square value is minus 1, so we will write here minus 4, and 2 2s are, we get here 4 iota minus 2 minus 4 iota plus 5 equals to 0. Now this 4 iota cancel with this 4. Look, 1 plus 5 we get 6, and minus 4 minus 2 we get 6 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0. Left and right sides are equal. So 1 plus 2 iota is the root or the solution of the given equation. Question 3 is similar to this one. Try if you can put z1 value in the equation. The answer, the two sides will be satisfied. If the answer is the same on the two sides, the equality is the same, so it is the solution. Or if not, so, and then also put z2. So it is similar to this question. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.